One film where I can safely say that we weren't busy having fun on the sets. We weren't busy self-indulging. What we have learned from both our directors is that they spend each second of the frame to ensure that the audience sitting in the theater is entertained, and they take it as a big responsibility. They do not indulge. They do not indulge in any kind of emotion. They make sure that it's all love, all heart, and also wrapped with modern today's youthful ideas. So we always used to notice them just indulged and indulging and involved and immersed into the scenes, and it totally rubbed off onto us also. And it wasn't one of the sets where you're playing pranks and stuff. It's a sincere, serious film, which is so beautifully woven, romantically, that you just keep flowing. And that's me saying it, but if the audience says it, it will be awesome.
I know that nobody on the set was thinking of anything but the frame that we were setting. You can start from a spot boy to the set designers to the costume designers to us to them. Everybody was thinking about that particular frame that we are, set to shoot at that point of time and how to make it better. They are, at some point they're thinking about how to make us look better. Sometimes we're thinking about what yellow or purple to add to make the frame look better. So इतना जो डिटेल आपको दिखती है, why their films and songs are a visual delight is because they're just constantly thinking about what shot are we setting.
The audience.
So obviously it'll rub off on us. And जहाँ तक workshops की बात है, मुझे अब realize होता है कि राधिका मैम ने मुझे खुद नरेट किया था स्क्रिप्ट, और एक बार नहीं 2-3 बार, despite her schedule and how she was caught up. They were starting a film, but she would sit me down every evening and she would narrate the scene to me in different ways. And अब मुझे लगता है कि वो workshops थी, तब मुझसे ऐसे बात की जाती थी कि शायद कोई conversation हो रही है, just a evening chat that we are having. So it never felt like work. It never felt like I'm doing something. It's always been very organic. Sir has never asked me to act. I think any day I would do a bad shot, he'll say beta acting हो गई. So, that's how less he wanted us to homework on the scenes. He just wanted it to freely flow. She always asked me to keep it organic, keep it clear. तो जो भी इन्होंने होमवर्क या वर्कशॉप्स हमारे साथ किए हैं, वो सिर्फ इनको पता होता था कि वो वर्कशॉप करिए. हमारे लिए was a conversation with them. And I think ये मैं इन लोग को भी बहुत बार बोल चुकी हूँ कि any conversation that I've ever held with any of them has been a learning process for me. So yeah, just being around them was a workshop and was a learning.
Indian South Indian. I'm an Aryan, she is Dravidian. So we have a clear-cut thing. The rulers are here, and the people who have to work serve is here.
Yeah, but so that means it's clearly telling you who's got the brains and who's got the brawn.
Jokes apart, in the sense, we are now, like you said, we've been working for 12 years now together. It's now almost like a habit as if Radhika is not there, दूसरे यार बहुत एक बारी राधिका को पूछ लेते कि ठीक चल रहा है. इनफैक्ट वी डायरेक्टिंग अ शॉट द अदर डे विद सलमान एंड आई वाज एट द मॉनिटर एंड शी वाज विद सलमान समवेयर अहेड एंड एक्सप्लेनिंग द शॉट. एंड मैं कुछ देख के मैंने बोला राधिका को सलमान को बोलते ना कि वो ऐसे ऐसे कर ले. तो वो एक्चुअली वो वही बोल रही थी सलमान को. सलमान तो बोल रहा है व्हाट्स हैपनिंग मैम, तो इधर बोल रही है वो उधर से बोल रहा है. इट्स लाइक, सो इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक we've been working for so long that it is the thought processes are almost the same. So far, so good. When you are directing stars, like a Salman or a Sunny Sir or a Kamna, अब सलमान को ओके चुलबुल पांडे रोमांस करेगा, ओके अभी राधिका और मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट करना है, कंसेप्चुलाइज करना है, सब करना है. सो ओके ये जो गाना है मस्त मस्त गाना है. अब सलमान चुलबुल पांडे है, उसको रोमांस करना है जो सोनाक्षी से. नाउ सलमान कैसे रोमांस करेंगे, किस तरह से हाव भाव ये वो, सो आप उनके लिए फिर एक इट्स अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी प्लस दायरों में, स्ट्रक्चर में काम होता है। तो चुलबुल पांडे को कहाँ तक ले जाएं, फिर हमने कहा नहीं चलो चश्मे के अंदर हार्ट्स डाल देते हैं, तो यू कैन जस्ट टेक अ रोमांस टू अ लेवल ऑफ दिस दैट ही कैन सॉट से आई लव यू बट समवेयर वी हैव टू से दैट ही लव्स हर, यू नो, सो दैट वन। सो उन लोगों के साथ दायरों में काम होता है। बट जहाँ तक हर्ष और मामला है, आई थिंक इट इज सो नाइस ऑफ देम दैट they're like a blank canvas, you know, and you do a painting, you know, and so each and every nuances, each and everything that you put together or that is all coming to life with them, you know, and that's where the advantages, and then thankfully to him that he supports it, so that, you know, you can draw a painting which is called Indar and Saraswati, you know, and everything which is there is now coming out to life, and then when the theatrical gets appreciated, songs are a success, and so you realize that okay, the painting which you are drawing is all coming to life correctly, and that's the fun of what we are passion. And particularly Mavra, her first shot is Kaushalya Suprapatam, which is
It's a Venkateshwar Suprapatam of M.S. Subbalakshmi. If you all know.
So for Mavra,
Sanskrit.
it's a Sanskrit prayer, and for Mavra to come and give a first shot as a Sanskrit prayer, which is in the promos also, and her drive, her thing, I'm saying, if you ask me, I can't say, but she can say, and she's done it so well. So which is like, you know, it's come out so beautifully because both of them were so brilliant and so coming along, and we were having everything that could be molded and put it correctly. Even the fish in Khich Meri Photo.
That's a real
My
fish.
God, that stinky fish. With Mavra
It's
and
a
it.
real fish which she was kissing and holding on, and apart from her nausea for the first 1 hour, at the end of the day she was just stunning, and she was so unself-conscious that even when we would call off the take, I would see her standing in the corner with just that fish just standing in the. It's really hard to keep a stinky fish next to you the whole day long. After she's forgot, she'll just keep standing like that with the fish in the hand. So
And Harsha's role is much more difficult.
Very difficult.
She's on an author-backed role, you know? But Harsh is this quiet protagonist who is silently, who doesn't smile. It's easier to say dialogues with a smile, but convey the whole thing with a poise and the.
But she had no parameters, but he had a lot of parameters as far as the character was concerned. So there were so many don'ts for him.
So for him to present it in a way, and Radhika and I wanted to shoot her in X amount of angles, in X amount of blocks. So if you see the film, Harsh has been shot only in a certain angle, you know, profiling and all. So we were, and for him to do all that every time, which is the tougher part, than if you're going free all out for that. So it was absolutely brilliant for the
But they're very good. I think they're very good actors. What you discovered by the end of the film is, I think they discovered what good actors they are. They always knew they were good actors, but I think both of them really discovered that to what depths they could plumb and to what heights they could rise. And I think the real growth has been to discover, oh, I have potential to do this and I have potential to do that. I think Margaret can stay in a stinky swine shop and give the best performance of her life because she's been through the whole on, and for him to do everything that he did, right?
And so I think Radhika and I will give the movie industry to the
Brightest talents, for
for
sure.
2016.
For sure.
Yes,
And in
for
the
sure.
For sure.
yeah.
You will be so amazed at how well they performed.
And in Harsh's case, we might just beat Harshvardhan Kapoor to Harshvardhan Rane. So we've got Harshvardhan Kapoor coming, but Harshvardhan Rane has come before, and we might just have a finish to the race. You know, he's so brilliant.
Right now, yes.
Did you feel it on set?
No pressures on that. I've always felt that, I always felt that these two could really see what I am capable of. मैं जब भी अपने तरीके से अपने बेस्ट पोटेंशियल पे कोई शॉट डिलीवर करके आती थी और मैं इनकी शक्ल देखती थी और ये कहते थे वी थिंक यू कैन डू समथिंग मोर टू इट. सो यू नो दैट वो आपको प्रेशराइज नहीं करती चीज़, वो आपको कॉन्फिडेंस देती है कि देयर इज समबडी इन द वर्ल्ड हु कैन सी some more talent in you. Maybe it is there. Maybe you should just find it. So I think she's right. By the end of the film, even I have, जब मैंने स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ी थी बहुत सारे सीन्स में मैंने मैम को बोला था कि मैं ये वाला कैसे करूँगी और मैं ये वाला कैसे करूँगी. So I was really nervous and pressurized before I went on set. But once I was on set, I think they were just there for me. They were just standing right there like pillars, and I knew that whatever I deliver, they're sitting on the monitor. They will not let me do bad. I think these are one of the few things जो मैंने सबने शुरू में ही बोल दी थी कि stop worrying about this because we will not let you come out with a bad shot or a bad act. So वो तो pressure खत्म हो गया वहीं पे. So after that it was just to achieve excellence and just go beyond what you're capable of. And every time I would go on set, I wanted to impress them. Every time after a shot, I'd look at them. If they'd smile at me, that'd make my day. So yeah, that was the pressure to get a smile from that. But nothing other than that.
Yeah, it's a number game, but I feel on married summer we will get it the good months only. I'm hoping, definitely it will work. And, because I can't say, yeah, that let public come and see and you'll get the figures. It's fine, it doesn't make difference. The movie is.
सनी सर का 2.5 किलो का आता है, दीपक सर का 5.5 किलो.
मेरा फर्क नहीं पड़ता. सनी साहब का जो हुआ करता था 2.5 किलो, आई डोंट नो कितना किलो का रहेगा. बट ठीक है, वो अपनी मैरिट्स पे हैं, अपनी मैरिट्स पे हैं, तो इसमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
But you know what, like wherever Deepak sir has contributed, then at the time when we finished the film, and then Deepak sir made Kishore Balaji and
Eros.
And Eros, when they saw the film, heard the creators, and they come on board, it's like just ended up the whole thing so nicely because Eros and Kishore, I still remember when Deepak sir, Radhika ma'am, we all were sitting with Kishore Balaji, they heard the song and all that, and he says, I'll just go ahead and make a good film. Just forget about anything, the film is mine, and just you guys go ahead and make a super film. We were flying to Cape Town to do a schedule, and we met in London, and he said, just go and make it.
That gave us a confidence basically, yeah. So we have a good release, it was just backing up, so yeah, relax on that. And we have delivered the good product. It is change, it's a good change basically what I would say. Initially it was a slow pace and individuality. Now the group is there, so you can release widely. So firstly I remember that there used to be release in 300 theatres or so. So now if you see when the corporate has come, you are releasing in 4,000 theatres, the screens basically. So the business has gone up, that's for sure. So this is a very big difference.